Want to prepare for UGC NET Economics 2025 December attempt? Confused about what to study? Let me help you out. Here's a breakdown of the most important topics from each unit that you simply can't afford to skip. As per UGC NET 2025 June exam, a total of 3 questions were asked from the econometrics. I have outlined all the main topics and their subtopics. Since econometrics is not a separate unit, it is a part of statistics given in your syllabus. So I'll recommend all these topics are important and the highlighted one are the most important. First, you have to do the classical linear regression models, their assumptions, which is the most repeated question. Then ordinary least square method, blue properties, R square. And then you have to remember that t-test is used for the individual significance and f-test is used for the overall significance in the context of econometrics. Then you have to do the autocorrelation, heterosidicity and multiplanarity, their consequences, how to detect all the tests related to them and their solutions. Then you have to do the time series analysis, in which stochastic process, stationary and non-stationary process, unit root test of stationarity are again a most important topic, and forecasting one are also important. Simultaneous equation model, the important topic is rank and order condition, ILS and 2SLS method, that is indirect least square and two-stage least square method, and recursive model. Next, discrete choice model, which is asked from past few years, Blodgett, Probit and Tobit model. Then dummy variable, ANOVA model and COVA model. Dummy variable trap is again an important and repeated question. Then Chow test. Next important topic is functional form, in which you have to do double log, semi-log. Semi-log has 2 parts, log-lean and lin-log model. Then Cobb-Douglas production function, CES production function and Cobb-Webb. All these topics are important. Another suggestion is do the pre-YQs question of the econometrics topic. Thank you.